What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I go through the comment section quite frequently, and it seems like every time I start one of these videos, it's always related to the comments that are on my videos or on my channel or on Twitter or something like that. And really, it does stem from that because the conversations, it's just like the Jordan and LeBron James debate, right? Where who's the GOAT? Right? There was a lot of people that say LeBron James, a lot of people, or more people that say Michael Jordan. I'm leaning more towards Michael Jordan. Obviously, I will always lean towards that way. I will lean towards Kobe being number two over LeBron James, but that's a whole nother topic of conversation. Don't want to bring up an argument here, but we're probably going to have that in the comment section. Either way, the point is that a lot of people will argue that XRP is not going to make any moves, and they'll say, it's over, crypto is over, you're never going to see XRP again. And this argument has since been depleted a little bit because of the fact that XRP has run from a level of 50 cents, 40 cents, all the way up to $3.40. It shut a lot of people up. However, you still have people that are very loud that are like, $3.40 is the highest that it's going to, even though you said that it wouldn't even get past a dollar, and you said it wouldn't get past $2 and $3, and it obviously broke all of those levels. So who's to say that you're going to be right on this one, right? Fourth time's the charm, right? That's what we're going with. But in this video, I want to talk about XRP and why it's going to the moon, right? And I know this is kind of the way that you look at it, the way that you classify it and say, this is going to the moon. What is the moon? It really depends on what you want out of an investment as well as out of a use case for a cryptocurrency. So let's talk about this. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out my link for Twitter, for Patreon down below in the description. If you guys are interested in signing up for BTCC, feel free to check out my link down below. You can get a 10% deposit bonus when you use my link, specifically use my link, as well as extra bonuses up to $10,055, 40% lower trading fees, and you can trade up to a 500x leverage. So if you guys are interested in leverage trading, check it out. If you're interested in trading outright, check this platform out, as well as if you guys want to demo trade, you can test out your strategies. You can do all of those things with this platform. And honestly, it's a really, really good platform, and everything is really simple to use and understand. So feel free to check it out if you guys really are interested in all of those things. But we're here for XRP. XRP's current price is sitting at $2.14. It's up by 1%. The market isn't really the greatest right now. Obviously, it's not at the $3.40 level that it was at. You are seeing 58% of the supply that's out there, $4 billion worth of volume, which is down by 10%. The market cap is at $124 billion. I don't want to, kind of just speed past this thing of understanding that the market cap is higher than a lot of people believe that it was going to be, right? Those doubters, those people that said, I'm just gonna, sit on the sideline and not be a part of XRP and watch you guys that are part of XRP fail. Those people that said that, they said it would never get to $100 billion, right? Let alone a trillion dollars, right? And we're gonna see that slowly get to those levels and them being wrong every single step of the way. So $124 billion is phenomenal that it got to that point. Not the highest market cap, but it definitely is still a high market cap. There's an article here that states that experts say only 1% will be able to afford XRP soon. And, you go through the reasons why. But the reason why I brought up this article is not to really go through this article. It's to just kind of cement my point that XRP is going to be worth a lot more because of all of the things that they are doing. So many people that argue XRP is not going to be worth anything and it won't go to the moon, right, will say it has no use case. It has no need for you to hold XRP. XRP is probably the only cryptocurrency right now to where you can see right in your vision, in your near future, that XRP will be utilized in a heavy way, right? You can say Bitcoin would have been that, but Bitcoin is not looking to be the world currency anymore, right? We're looking for Bitcoin to be used as a store of value, which honestly is only based on the value that we would pay for it. We assume what that is based on the scarcity that's out there. If we deem Bitcoin worthless and many people don't buy it, that price ends up going down, right? Not saying Bitcoin will end up collapsing. I think Bitcoin will always have, one, its following, two, its value based on the ones that hold it and the ones that hold the most. But you'll have other things that are going to be utilized. So if you talk about cryptocurrencies that have a use case, the main thing that people want to see within it is that you're using it as a form of payment. So what they thought Bitcoin would be in the past, going from using that for bank-to-bank transactions or just standing in front of a business, in front of a merchant, you're like, I want to purchase this item. You can purchase it with cash, you can purchase it with your credit card, your debit card, or you can purchase it with your cryptocurrency. And maybe that flows through your bank as well. Who knows, right? It flows through your wallet so that it's easy, right? What is the quickest method to hand over that money? You can say cash would be very quick, right? But that also depends on what the value of that dollar is. And that can be, you can have an inflation, towards the prices that you have there, right? The dollar is still the dollar, but it won't go as far because of how much they're printing. For debit and credit, obviously it's all linked to the dollar there, so you would still have that same inflation based on the products that you're buying. However, with XRP, it's completely different, right? Where you can have a deflationary aspect based on the supply decrease, based on the burning that you see that's happening with XRP overall. You don't have any more that's being added, any more that's being mined or printed or anything like that. So you don't have to worry about that side of things. But you can utilize it in a faster, quicker, more efficient and cheaper way, right? It's cheap, it's efficient, it's safe, it's secure, it's all of the things that we want in a cryptocurrency and a digital currency, that we really asked for, right? We wanted Bitcoin to be, but it could never be. So XRP can be used that way, but also you understand the connections that Ripple has with banks, being able to use their payment system and know that XRP is the major player, is the main character in their story. So whatever they decide to do, XRP will be heavily utilized in that manner. So to say that XRP will not be worth more than 100 billion, to not be worth more than 200 billion, 500 billion, $1 trillion market cap is absolute blasphemy. It's crazy to me, right? Because if you look at every other cryptocurrency that's out there, this is the only one that has a solid, long-term, long-standing, open-ended use case out there. Only one. So XRP is going to the moon. Whatever that classification of the moon is for you, that's where it's going. But you're going to be able to use it in two different ways. So you're going to be able to gain the value in two different ways. One is by your investment, is by your gains that you get with holding a decent amount of XRP right now while we're in early stages. And two, being able to utilize it. And once you get to that point to where you're able to utilize it, the value of XRP will be at such a high level that only 1% will be able to afford XRP. That's the way that I look at it. So while you say it's never going to $2 and it goes to $3, it's never going to $5 and it goes to $10, it's never going to $100 and it goes to $1,000. This is what we're going to see. And depending on the uses that happen out there and obviously how long you're holding your XRP and when you're looking to take profit will tell me what type of profit or how much profit you're going to be able to gain. So absolutely phenomenal where we are right now. I still have my 201,000 XRP, and it's not something where this may happen today. It's not something where this may happen next year. It might end up being 5 years until we see those max levels, until we see the major use case, until we see the adoption, until we see, the government obviously putting it in their reserve and being able to hold it and utilize it and see value within it. I mean, it's just going to be amazing. The sky's the limit for XRP. And again, this is my opinion. You can put whatever you want in that comment section. Let me know how you feel. Guys, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you check out my link for BTCC down below. You can trade XRP up to a 500x leverage over there. So feel free to check it out. I'm going to get out of here. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.